Not guilty.
New at 5, disturbing allegations about facilities in Alabama helping children with mental health issues. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough tells us why it's prompted illegal action.
A class action lawsuit filed against Alabama's Department of Human Resources alleges some young people across the state are unnecessarily placed in mental health facilities.
DHR is placing children in these facilities right now who don't need to be placed in these facilities, who should be out in the community in foster care with their relatives. Instead, they're being placed in these awful facilities.
Cahaba Heights attorney Tommy James says children who are placed in these facilities by DHR are often physically and emotionally abused, not to mention kept there much longer than they should be. He represents a client who he says actually needed help but was driven to doing the unthinkable.
He was beaten by staff numerous times, beaten by other peers there numerous times. In fact, in one stretch over about 10 days, he was beaten both by staff and by his peers so many times that he tried to commit suicide, tried to hang himself with one of his shirts, and thankfully that failed.
Attorney Tommy James says unfortunately this is not a problem that's exclusive to Alabama. He says it goes on nationwide. He says the goal of the lawsuit is to ensure children placed in these facilities are treated properly and aren't kept there too long. In Birmingham, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.
We've reached out to Alabama DHR for a comment on the class action suit. A spokesperson says the organization has not yet been served, but is aware of the lawsuit through media coverage.